In today's business environment, we are always seeking to find a better way, a smarter way, a time and cost-efficient way of conducting our day-to-day work practices. The mundane work of ordering stationery, printing, folding, stuffing envelopes, using stamps, or a franking machine are now no longer required. And let's not forget the trips to the post box or post office. Maybe you send a lot of mail and you have a collection service from your office. These practices and services are expensive and time-consuming. Now, the smartest, most cost-effective way is to use Foojit. Select your Word or PDF document on your computer, click the Foojit printer from the File menu, and your mail will be in the post the same day. All done from your PC. Download the user-friendly, free Foojit software from the website.